Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your expense in FreshBooks. It's pretty easy. First of all, you have to log into your account, so that is without saying like mandatory. And then on the left sidebar you have expenses. I already created this one. For example, it's a gas expense. It's for $300 or 300 euros. There's also a tax to it. Also, we can see the document, but that's really not why we are here. We can either edit it, or there is option for more actions. We're gonna click on more actions, and we can either archive, delete, or duplicate the whole expense. In this case, we want to click on delete and press OK. And just like that, you have no expenses. So it's very easy. FreshBooks is very easy to operate. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.